All right, guys. So we all packed up. So we're starting the day 3. Right now we're running out of gas. So first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna try to get out as soon as possible so that we can get to the gas station, and then we're gonna start our today's journey. All right. We all clean up the camping area. So, yep. All right. Let's go, guys. We're getting our gas, all right, so which is feeling much more safe. So once we're done with the gas, we're gonna take the local all the way to the Hanksville, and then we're gonna check out other places around there. Okay. So let's go. Guys, so on the way to Bentonite Hills, we're just stopping at the just coffee cafe. Here is called Wild Rabbit Cafe. We're in the town of the Torrey. Okay, so let's go check it out. All right, we're taking a little break from Overlanding. Let me eat this. So we are at the entrance to getting to the Bentonite Hills, and this is what we have to do: water crossing. Woo! It's getting hot. Water is cold but clean, right? So, all right. So let's get going. All right. Guys, we're finally at the Bentonite Hills, and coming here was beautiful. And look at this view, right? And I just changed my clothes too, especially my t-shirt. And here we go, Johan. Go Mammoth. All right. He's my friend, and he owns the rooftop tent, all those camping gears that you might need for overlanding. And I'm not, sponsor him, or I'm not getting any sponsor or anything, just as a friend. I want to support him, so he got me a t-shirt, and same as my dad also, so over there. So we are wearing this t-shirt and get a nice photo shoot over here, but that's not the whole point. But I really wanted to come here on it, and finally we are arrived. And the weather is perfect. It's not hot, it's not cold. During the overlanding, you have to find where the water is. So I got over here Hollow Mountain Guest Stop. They allow me to use the water, so I'm gonna fill into my water tank for shower and cookings and everything. So water is all done. Got 2 bottles of the water tank. This is for my shower. This is where I use it for cookings and every rest of the water. The gas one more time just to make sure, and then we fill up the gas. We're in the town of the Hanksville, so now we're going to the factory Butte, where we're gonna find a camping, and this is another reason why I came to Utah again, to get hopefully it's a nice weather today, so hopefully I can see a nice sunset. All right, let's go, guys. All right, guys, another destinations that we're gonna explore this area tonight, and then we're gonna camp here. All right, let's keep going. Hopefully it's gonna be a nice sunset. All right, guys, we came here at the Skyline, but as you can see here, the vehicle is closed. The road is closed for trucks to drive there. So I just fly the drones. That's the best thing that I can do at this moment. And that's just part of the overlanding, that you never know what's gonna happen. So you're only gonna find out until you get to the place, right? So the rest of the plan is going to the factory area for sunset, and then we're gonna find a nice camp spot. Okay, let's go, guys. All right, guys, so I just got to the moon overlook, and this place is epic over here, and same time is pretty scary. And so yeah, so are you guys ready to see? Right, check this out here. See the whole view. So this is where all this Instagram, a lot of people are walking over there, right? And see the sunrise, and these all those views right here. It's stunning. It's all different type of view, different angles. But I'm too scared to walking down there. I don't know if I can do it. Amazing sunset, right? So we're hungry, so it's gonna be very easy, quick. So we're gonna make Korean black bean rice. Just gonna quickly eat. Hopefully we can see a stars tonight. That will be the perfect, but we'll see. And then my dad is working on the fires on it too. So meanwhile, I'm gonna quickly cook.